Guys, look at this view. Oh my gosh, I'm in London. Look at this view. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this is week 2 of the London series, and basically I'm on my way to London now. I've got like the boot packed with a load of stuff, and I'm going to Hatfield first, pick up my cousin because we're going out for a meal today, and then like I officially move in today. So it's a beautiful day. I can't really show you right now, but beautiful day. Like it's gonna be good. Like I'm really excited for the meal tonight. So yeah, just randomly thought about this, but I have an armrest in my car. When I have it like pulled forward and everything and I'm driving on the motorway, it gives me such like an attitude while driving. It's so funny. Guys, this is the best thing I've ever eaten as a pre-dessert.